Great to see you this morning, Jessica. What we saw from Walmart sparked an amazing stock reaction. Give me the broad scene. Are you expecting to see movement on Target today?
I think the market seems to be a bit skeptical about Target. Now, what we saw in Q2, there were sequential improvements that we have noted. With Q3, we are positive. We do think there's still green shoots. Now, what we saw was the consumer discretionary categories start moving, and obviously that's where Target has been hurt previously. So that's where we still remain positive in general.
Is it because Target is seen as like, if you're going to make a budget-conscious choice, you might choose Walmart over Target?
Well, Walmart, you would initially go for grocery. So once you're in there for grocery, they've been capturing more of that market share. So their discretionary has improved in terms of apparel, their beauty categories, and they have the higher income consumer coming in.
We've been hearing on some of the food categories that customers who are budget conscious are now looking for those store brands, those private labels. Target has a big private label offering. How does that drive their results?
So that they've been working on, and it's been improving, especially with Good and Gather and the way that they do their content, how they speak to the consumer about these brands. And it's improved with this year. So that is still the biggest part. But if you think of grocery as a whole, Walmart is still a bigger part of that business.
We're heading into the holiday season. We've got a big Universal, which is part of our overall company, has a new movie coming out on Friday, Wicked. In fact, I'm told today's Wicked Wednesday, so, you know, here I am wearing the witchy green. When you look at, Target has these new Wicked rollout products. They're doing it ahead of the big movie launch. They've got Taylor Swift. They've got some of these big name hot movers. What does that do ahead of the holiday shop? Or I guess we're in the holiday shopping season now, really. Yeah, go ahead. I haven't shopped for holiday yet, but I guess everybody else in the world is.
They've been spacing out, so I think people started a little bit early. But in terms of Wicked, in terms of anything with Stanley Cup that has brought out e.l.f. brand collaboration as well, people have been driving. And if you go into Target, you do see signs that say 5 Stanley Cups per person, nothing more. They have had a stampede of people come in for these sought-after items. So it does drive traffic. And I think for the holiday season, what they do have lined up will be traffic drivers.
Where are the pitfalls for Target?
Again, so from what we see third-party data, it's been a slowdown in traffic, and in-store, that's where we've seen a little bit of a concern around that. In terms of pitfall, are they driving enough that will take away the items from Walmart? Is the consumer necessarily being, well, can I do 2 shops in this sense? You know, how seamless is it? And the thing is, Target is very good at omni-channel in general. So, and
I mentioned the promotions, like the targeting that Target does with its promotions. Does that help them, or do you closely watch how much they're spending on promotions versus the benefit that's gained?
So we do watch promotions very closely across the board. Target, in terms of Circle Days that they had when it was Amazon last month, they had very targeted promotions, which was 20%, maybe 30%. It wasn't anything terrible, and 30% you usually want that as a healthy promotion for your assortment. So again, they've been very strategic throughout the year. It hasn't been too much to be concerned about.
And I noted that you also said in your note that you didn't see a lot of markdowns on, say, women's apparel and things like that. I want to ask you about another big apparel company. Yeah. TJX reports this morning as well. What are you expecting, and how does that story line up with what you've seen from Target and Walmart?
So TJX, in terms of the off-price umbrella in general, we have continued to be positive. Again, the consumer is still very strapped for cash, so a trade down is still happening. TJ in general, especially TJ Maxx, is very good at following consumer sentiment and pulling away from categories that the consumer may no longer be interested in. So we've seen a pull away from pet, we've seen a pull away from home, but soft home is better. Footwear has been a little bit difficult for them, but then you have the beauty category, which is fantastic for them. I mean, the brands out there are crazy.
It's like beauty's the key for everybody.
For everyone.
Like, what does that say about our vanity, really?